হ্যালো মাই লাভিং স্টুডেন্টস, ওয়েলকাম টু মাই চ্যানেল হেল্প স্টাডি। চলো আজ আমরা পলিউশন চ্যাপ্টার থেকে PYQS পড়ে নিই। লেটস স্টার্ট আওয়ার ক্লাস। PYQS প্রিভিয়াস ইয়ার্স কোয়েশ্চেন্স ফ্রম দ্য চ্যাপ্টার পলিউশন। 1 mark questions, multiple choice questions. 1. Which one of the following is a greenhouse gas? A. Oxygen, B. Methane, C. Sulfur dioxide, D. Nitrogen. Right option B. Methane. Next, the primary source of chlorofluorocarbons is A. Vehicular emissions, B. Industrial effluents, C. Domestic sewage, D. Refrigeration equipments. Right option D. Refrigeration equipments. Very short answer type questions. Number 3. Name one gaseous compound which depleted the ozone layer. Answer chlorofluorocarbons. Number 4. Give suitable biological reasons for the following statement. Carbon monoxide is dangerous when inhaled. Answer. Carbon monoxide when inhaled in a large quantity combines with the hemoglobin in blood with greater affinity, which decreases the capacity of the blood to carry and transport oxygen in body, thus resulting in death of a person. Next, question number 5. Give suitable biological reasons for the following statement. Acid rain is harmful to the environment. Answer. Acid rain contains large quantities of acids like HNO3 and H2SO4. HNO3 nitric acid, H2SO4 sulfuric acid. Due to high acidic content, it damages the fish and other aquatic life, vegetations, etc., and also proves harmful for humans in certain ways. Next, question number 6. Identify the odd term in the set and name the category to which the remaining 3 belong. Example: glucose, starch, cellulose, calcium. Odd term is calcium. Category: other 3 category. Others are different types of carbohydrate. Glucose, starch and cellulose এরা হচ্ছে different টাইপের carbohydrate. Polythene bag, crop residue, animal waste, decaying vegetables. Which is the odd term? Polythene bag. Category: others are agriculture wastes and rich in nitrogen and carbohydrates, which have potential to produce renewable bio-based energy and chemical products. Number 7. Mention any 2 objectives of Swachh Bharat Abhijan. Answer. The objectives of this campaign are as follows. Number 1. Elimination of open defecation and construction of house and commercial toilets. Next, cleaning the streets, roads and infrastructure of our countries, towns and cities. Next, efficient management and disposal system to be developed for solid and liquid wastes. ক্লাস 10 ICSE বায়োলজি এই প্লেলিস্ট থেকে বাকি ভিডিওগুলো দেখে নাও। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ, লাভ ইউ অল।